Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Gloria, and in today's video I have two perfumes by the same house, the house of Zimaya. So these perfumes, they are trending. They've been trending for some time, and I thought I should bring them here because I have two of them. I'm going to be unboxing these two perfumes, and I'm going to be telling you what I think about these perfumes, if they are worth it or they are just as usual. But yeah, if you want to know my thoughts on these two perfumes, then you have to keep on watching. So the first one I'm going to be unboxing is Only You by Zimaya. This is what it looks like. And I'm just going to go right ahead and unbox. I hope I like this perfume. I hope it is worth it. What is this? It looks tacky. This here looks tacky. It would have been better without it, in my opinion, though. Wow. Okay. It's not bad. This is what it looks like. It's a pinkish box, right? Pinkish box. And the bottle as well is like a light pink bottle. I like the bottle, actually. Not too much. Let's see what it smells like. First, I would spray out some of the perfume as usual, and okay. What I think about this perfume, I think this Only You by Zimaya is a floral perfume. It's a floral perfume. It has a familiar accent, very, very familiar. It's just like the type of smell you get from any girly girl type of scent. Okay, that is what I get from this. I get florals. It kind of reminds me of some perfumes. I get the vibe of tuberose in this. It gives me the vibe of Lavoy by Missing Alhambra. Lavoy by Missing Alhambra is Duping My Way by Giorgio Armani. Okay, so it's giving me that vibe. It's also giving me the vibe of Fakar Rose Gold, but the only difference for me is that this one is kind of laid back, kind of a bit lighter than Fakar Rose Gold. So I get a lot of florals in this. I get some fruit there as well, so it's kind of sweet. I get some sweetness as well. So if you like My Way by Giorgio Armani, then you are going to like Only You by Zimaya. For me, I just think it's an okay scent. First impression, right? It actually smells really close to My Way. I kid you not, it smells like My Way by Giorgio Armani. My Way is a perfume that I am not mad about. I like My Way, but as at this point I am not crazy about My Way, but it's still an okay perfume. It's still like an everyday kind of perfume. It's not a perfume that will offend a lot of people, which means a lot of ladies, a lot of girly girl ladies will actually like Only You by Zimaya. This, in my opinion, is going to be a fantastic wear for summer. It's going to be good for everyday wearing, going to the office. It's going to be perfect for hangouts, but not like an evening dress up kind of scent. I don't see this one, doing it for me for evening scent, for evening hangouts, for evening dress up scent or party scent. I don't see this doing it for me. But apart from that, I think this is a feminine, girly, sweet, floral perfume that a lot of ladies will like. So yeah, so this one is Only You by Zimaya. Let's check out what the second one smells like. Okay, The second one is Fatima Velvet Love by Zimaya. This is what it looks like, right? And I will just go ahead and open it up and see what it smells like. Okay, the packaging is similar to Only You, but the only difference is that this one is light purple, like, yeah, light purple, like violet, while the other one, Only You, is pink. I think that is the only difference. Apart from that, and this one does not have any tacky bow. Yeah, I think I like this packaging because of that thing that is not here, that bow, that pinkish bow that is in the other one that is not here. I think I like the packaging of this one better. Okay, let's just open this up, and wow, I like this. I like the packaging of this one. Like, even the bottle, this one looks a little bit more beautiful in my opinion, right? So yeah, this is Fatima Velvet Love by Zimaya. So as usual, let's spray out the first here, and let's see what this one smells like. And the atomizer is very good. I like the atomizer, very, very good. Okay, what I get in this perfume is more of fruits. I get plum, I get guavas, I get fig. There's a perfume I have that is of fig, that has fig in it. I get that similar smell in this. So it smells fruity. It smells floral as well, but the floral in this is in the base. It's not very out there. This is more of a sweet, fruity blend. I think I like this one, and the reason I like this one is the fact that the fruitiness, the sweetness in the fruitiness of this perfume is not overboard. The fruitiness and the sweetness in Fatima Only Love is not overboard, but it reminds me of something I have already. And what perfume am I talking about? I'm talking about Maya Natural Intense. This perfume reminds me of that, but I'm not saying they are very, very similar. Okay, this just gives me the vibe of Maya Natural Intense. Maya Natural Intense, the only thing that turns me off sometimes about that perfume is that fig that is there, but the fig in this one is actually mellowed. It's not very heightened, so the smell of this is balanced. I get pear as well. As it begins to dry down, I get some pear in this. I get some pear, I get some apples. I've not checked out the notes of this perfume. I just want to give you my first impression. Maybe I will come back for a detailed review. For right now, what I'm getting in this is like a mix of fruits, a mix of guava, plum, apple, pear. Those are just what I get in this, like a beautiful blend of fruits. Sometimes when you come across fruity perfumes, they tend to be overly sweet, sometimes like sickly sweet, that you do not want to overspray during summer or during the day. Okay, but with this one, there is something that is well combined. Everything in this is well combined. No one is sticking out. They are all well blended. Now let me rate these two perfumes. This one, the Only You by Zimaya, like I said, is a feminine, girly, familiar scent. So for that, I'm going to be giving this a 7 out of 10. This is just there for me. It's just there. Okay, and for this one, this has some sort of uniqueness going on with it. It has some complexity going on with it, and for that I will give this a 8 out of 10. I like this one more than I like this, but they are both feminine scent, feminine summer spring type of perfume. These two perfume, you know, they can be worn during the day, to work. You can as well pair them with citrus based perfume, or you can pair them with aquatic based perfume. Okay, they will go so well with those type of fragrance families. So yeah, that is what I have to say about these two perfumes. Have you used any of this? If you have, let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and I will be seeing you in my next video. If you want me to do a review of any of them, let me know, and then I would properly experience them, and then I'll come back for a proper review of any of these ones you want me to review first. Okay, I will see you in my next video. Hope you enjoy watching this one. If you did, kindly subscribe to me if you're not subscribed yet, and I'll see you in my next video. My name is Gloria. I'll catch you in the next one.